friends, so today I'm going to share with you one book summary because today is transformation day. But before starting, I would like to give you my introduction. Hello everyone, my name is Sanchi Sardar, learning in 7th standard from Niketan High School, and also I am a student of Zero to Hero in English Speaking Academy. So friends, let's come to the point. Today I will share with you book summary, and that name is Ikigai. So I would like to tell you that in Japan, one island is there, and that name is Okinawa, where people live more than 100 years. In that island, people live more than 100 years because they use one formula to live. By using that formula, they live more than 100 years, and that name is Ikigai. Japan people believe that you come this world for some special purpose, and that purpose is your Ikigai. So first, what you love. Second, what are you good at? And third is what you can be paid for. And fourth is what world needs. So these are 4 points. Now means what you love and what you are good at. In this you will get your passion. Then in second and third means what you are good at and what you can be paid for. This will make your profession. And then third, what you can paid for, and fourth, what world needs. This will make your vacation. And in last, this will make your mission. So this book summary I listen, and it is so much amazing. You listen this book summary and you will also get the benefit. Last time also many times I listen this book summary and I am really getting this benefit while listening book summary. So you also listen, you will also get benefit. So I get this benefit, and thank you very much to listening me till end.